What's up, guys? It's Alfredo, and I'm so happy you're watching this video. Most likely just because you already took action, you joined Bitnamix, so I'm very excited for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually walk you through step by step and show you what you need to do next. Because again, a lot of people like to join things, but sometimes they're clueless. They don't know what to do next, or it takes them a while, or the sponsor doesn't reach out to them, or whatever. Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, whoever shared this video with you cares about your success and they want to show you what to do. So I'm literally going to just take you through the page, go step by step, and show you exactly what you need to do to get rocking and rolling with the Bitnamix business and start earning Bitcoin on full automation, guys. So here's the deal. So we're going to start with step one. Very simple, guys. Okay, and all the steps are very easy. Just, like I said, some of you may have already gone through this procedure in the past with other Bitcoin opportunities, and that's fine. If that's you, no problem. Just go ahead and skip to the next step, or watch the video wherever you need to watch it at, or watch it from whatever applies to you. But if you're brand spanking new, never done anything with Bitcoin before, or whatever the case is, then you may need to watch this video and just follow the steps. If you already been involved in Bitcoin, you have a Bitcoin wallet, you know about exchanges, you know how to buy and sell Bitcoin, you know where to get it from, you know how to basically operate it, you know what a wallet is. Guys, for the most part, you can just skip this video or just skip through the steps and just go to what applies to you. So let's get right to it, guys. Step number one, if you've never ever done anything with Bitcoin, you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, very simple. Go to step one, click here to get your free Bitcoin wallet. Once you click there, it's going to take you over to blockchain.com. All you got to do is go to wallet. Okay, and you hit create your wallet. Very simple. Just put your email, create a password, confirm your password, and hit create wallet. That's it. What this does, it allows you to store a wallet, which is basically just like one of these, but online. You know how you have your credit cards and debit cards and stuff, and money in some cases. This is what it is, but it's online. So it allows you to put your Bitcoin in there and store it for whenever you need it to make purchases, or in this case, you're going to need some to activate your Bitnamix business. So that's what this is for. Okay, so your blockchain wallet is a basically online version of this, which allows you to hold and store your Bitcoin. All right, so that's step number one. Very simple. Once you're done with that, you go to step number two, which is acquire some Bitcoin right here. If you don't have any Bitcoin, never bought some before, that's fine. We already provided all the resources for you. All you have to do is go right here, and it's going to take you over to this page, and it's going to give you all the trusted sites where you could buy Bitcoin from using your debit card or credit card. And of course, option number one, we make it so easy for you guys. You can purchase directly from Bitnamix. I'm going to show you that in the next step. But basically, if you go to bitnamix.com, you log in, you're going to see, I'll just show you. You're going to see right here on the lower left-hand side, it's going to say buy crypto. You can literally just buy Bitcoin right off our site. Okay, but let me take you back. Just in case that doesn't work, it's not available in your country or whatever the case is, no problem. There's other options. So that's option number one. Option number two, you can purchase from Coinbase. Coinbase is very easy to use, but if you you have to be a USA resident, and if you've never used them before, you're going to have to go through a little verification process, which may delay the time it takes you to get started with Bitnamix. That's the only downfall. But Coinbase is 100%. They're legit. They've been around for years, and they work with the USA, so they're very compliant. You don't gotta worry about anything when it comes to Coinbase. Option number three, you can purchase from CEX. If you're not in the US or anywhere in the US or outside the US, you can basically use CEX. And again, you can buy directly from there, but it will take maybe 1 to 2 days for verification. So again, this can simply just delay your process a little bit. Option number four is CoinMama, is another site. They've been around forever. You can use that site. You can use your debit card or credit card to buy Bitcoins. They don't offer a Bitcoin wallet, but we already covered that in the first step, so don't worry about that. Once you purchase the Bitcoin, you can have it sent directly to your wallet. The same goes for Bitnamix. Okay, you have to have a wallet. So it doesn't store your Bitcoin. It allows you to purchase it, but you have to have a wallet to send it to. So that's where you get one from blockchain, which you're going to be using anyway. So it's a good idea to just get that out the way and have that handy. That's why we have it as step number one. So that's basically step number two. Once you acquire the amount of Bitcoin that you need for your business, no problem. I always suggest you buy as much as possible because you're going to use them for your business, and it's always good to have some at hand for anything in the future. All right, Bitcoin usually goes up, and it'll be just great to have in your portfolio. So you always want to buy a little bit extra and just keep some aside. Step number 3, once you got your wallet, once you have some Bitcoin, then go ahead and activate your Bitnamix account and start earning today. Once you click over here, it's going to take you over inside the Bitnamix area, and this is what it looks like. It's very simple, guys. For the first time you log in, you're going to get a pop-up with this video. This video is going to show you step by step what I'm about to show you. But again, you can watch it and rewatch it anytime you want. We also have a training site which shows you how to do all of this, and it extends the training. But don't worry about it. We'll get to that in a second. But literally, this video will show you step by step how to activate your account. But since you're here watching me, I'm going to show you. I'm going to close it out. This is one of our demo accounts. As you can see, it's inactive at the moment. So the very first step you got to do, go over here, go to payment monthly, go to pay monthly, and then it's going to give you a wallet address to send to. Very simple, guys. You copy this, okay? You hit Command C for a Mac or PC. I don't know exactly what it is. You just copy this. You go over to your blockchain wallet. For those who already opened one, you go here, you log in. Once the Bitcoin is in your wallet, all you gotta do is send the exact amount. So you have to be ready to do this because the amount can change at any point. And if you wait too long while you have this open, the system will not recognize your payment. So make sure you have your blockchain wallet. Make sure you have your Bitcoin in your blockchain wallet, and you are ready to activate your account, which is hopefully as soon as you get all these steps done. So you just go here, you copy it, and then what you want to do is copy this amount, paste it into the amount. So this is where you're sending, and this is how much you send. Once you send it, I'm going to show you a trick, guys. You go over to timer, okay? You go to stopwatch, and you hit start. And you literally just wait 30 seconds, guys. I would say 31, 32 seconds. But literally, if you just do this, do exactly what I'm telling you, there's going to be no issues with activating your account or activating your matrices going forward. So many people screw this step up, and it's so simple. Just literally wait the 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna wait it out. Wait it out. I'm doing this on purpose. I can really show you guys how simple this is. So here, 30 seconds has gone. Okay, so again, that's if you already have sent the Bitcoin to this wallet, this amount to this wallet, then you're gonna hit this button. Okay, and it's gonna say, it should say verify, but we didn't say anything, obviously. But you want to, once you do that and you hit this button, it's basically going to activate your account, and you're good to go on that side. Please do not send double payment. If it doesn't activate for whatever reason, go back. Do it for another 30 seconds and wait. Okay? If it doesn't activate. It has been, if you've done this multiple times, if it's gone by minutes, hours, and it still hasn't activated, obviously something is wrong. What you're going to do at that point, do not send another payment, because once you send it, it's gone. It's Bitcoin. It cannot be reversed. So do not send double payment. That's why I put this right here. What you want to do is contact support right here. Okay, go to support, and your name, username, email, it already pops up. Just say, hey, trouble activating account. All right, and then just put your message here. I sent Bitcoin and my account won't activate. All right, activate. Please help. That's it. And if you want to get support a lot faster, just send in your transaction ID. It's basically a receipt showing that you sent the payment. Send that in with this. It'll help the support team get to resolve your problem a lot faster, because most likely they're gonna have to ask you for it anyway. So if you want to skip that step, just literally copy and paste your transaction receipt, your hash code, whatever it is, paste it in here, so that way they can look it up, verify, and help you further. Unless, I mean, if you don't do it, otherwise it's just gonna take a little bit longer, because they're gonna have to ask you for that, and you get to send it back anyway. So just avoid that, wasting time, and just send your transaction and say, hey, this is my transaction, right? and then it's going to be like a long string of letters and numbers, look something like that. All right, and that you get once you send a transaction in the blockchain. It gives you a hash. So copy and paste that, hit submit, and someone from support will help you out right away. So if that's in the event that you try to activate and it doesn't work, but most likely it will work if you just follow what I showed you. So after you activated your account, the next thing you want to do is go over to Matrix. Now it's probably not going to let me do it. Okay, so this account was activated prior, so that's why it's letting me. If I didn't activate account, it wouldn't let me do it. What you want to do is go over here, activate your account. So how you do that? Literally just go start now. Okay, so yeah, see, it's going to take me back to activation. I think you guys get the point. You have to be activated in order to activate your Matrix. This account is a demo account. It once was activated. That's why we have the Matrix open for demo purposes. But shoot, now I can't go back. Okay guys, not sure what happened, but we're back. So actually I went ahead and activated the account just so I can show you guys how this works. So once you sent in your $25, you activate the account, you're good to go. It's going to show up right here. It's going to show green active. Then you go over to my Matrix and you go ahead to proceed to open up the Matrix levels. The more you open, the more Bitcoin you will earn. It's that simple. So you want to open up you want to open each Matrix one at a time. Go as high as you can, the most you can possibly afford, because that will allow you to earn the most within the same time span. Okay guys, so it looks the same. You grab this wallet address, same procedure. Take this wallet, copy it, paste it to your wallet, send this amount of Bitcoin, no more, no less. Okay, send it over just like I showed you to activate your account. Then you wait 30 seconds and you come back and hit verify. That's it guys. So once you're done opening all your Matrix levels, okay, you want to also make sure that your Bitcoin wallet is set up as well. You go over to Bitcoin wallet, input your wallet, so that way it opens up your referral link. Without your Bitcoin wallet in the system, you can't share this opportunity with others because it's going to mess with the flow, because you are getting paid directly and instantly through the Matrix. So you need to have, the system needs to know where to send the Bitcoin basically. So it won't allow you to share the business until you have that set up, and it's for your sake and your safety only. So make sure you guys input your Bitcoin wallet, make sure it's correct, check it twice, put it in, and then you all set. So once you activate your account, you've opened up your Matrix levels, you inputted your Bitcoin wallet, you're all good to go. Now you're ready to share the business. So that takes me over to this step. All right, you're going to go over here to step number 4 and claim access to your free Bitnamix training. It's going to look like this. Okay, so we actually created a training site to help you guys with marketing, with tools, with whatever it is to help you grow your business. Once you create your account, you can have access to all of this. Again, it's going to show you in depth everything I just showed you and more. Right here, you're going to have some crypto education. You're going to have an opportunity to build your own funnels. We have done for you funnels. We have done for you traffic. We got all of that stuff. And as an added bonus, for those who unlock certain levels, you will have access to additional products, which include training, resources, and all of that. So based on the higher levels you are, you'll have more products unlocked. It's that simple. So if you are only on levels from 1 to 3, you click here, you input information, and you'll have access to those products right there. But if you are above level 3, you go to 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 7, you can click this as well, and you have access to the products from levels 1 to 3 and the products from levels 4 to 7 as well. You guys get the point. So the more matrices you own, the more money you own, and the more products you have, which include training, resources, everything to help you grow your business. So that's that, guys. Let's see. I think we covered about everything. Once you do that, once you complete the steps, very simple. Okay, I'm going as fast as possible. Like literally, within 10 to 15 minutes, you can have your whole business set up and ready to go, guys. All right. Last but not least, you want to go over and add yourself to our community. You go over and join our official channel. This is where we get all the news notifications, all the updates within the system, what's happening with Bitnamix, the community, and its members. You go over here and you can add yourself to the community group. This is a group where people are actually interacting with each other and helping each other in the business. You can join the Facebook group. We do go live throughout the week. We do training on Tuesdays. We go live on Thursdays to help members with their prospects to grow their business. That's on Thursdays. And then follow us on Instagram as well, where we like to showcase our members with their achievements, and we like to post a lot of value on there. So just make sure you click these. It takes you over there. And if you have any questions, okay, if I shared this page with you, obviously my information is there. It might be a team member who actually used this page. As you are, you can take this page and use it for your members as well. So in that case, whoever shared this page with you, whoever got you in the business, obviously their contact info will be here. Whoever it is that shared it, if it's not me but someone else, I'm pretty sure this information will be there. And just here are some testimonials that we have. Some people are earning Bitcoin through Bitnamix, guys. There's a lot more that are going to be on this page. Just stick around. I'm telling you, this company is awesome. The system is awesome. I'm so happy that you actually got involved. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to your success, and I look forward to you earning some Bitcoin with Bitnamix. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and been able to complete your steps, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.